So what's up everybody, after a long time I came into the new video. So here you can see I unboxed the wall light. I ordered one wall light for our hall, but how to install this I can't understand from this user manual. So let's see, along with you guys only I will try to install it. So these are the items I unboxed it from that box. So now let's see how to install this. To install this you need one cutting plier and one screwdriver. If you have these two you can install it easily. So let's try to install it. So this is kali box, we will throw it. So let's begin how to install it. So friends, here you can see two rods are there with the bolt and nut and all. So I already installed around 5 rods, then now two are left. So we will try to install that also. Here you can see the nut. So in one hand I hold my camera, it's difficult to show simultaneously. So I will install it and after I'll show. Here you can see I installed and I'm showing it to you. So all are installed. Using cutting plier you need to tight all the bolts. So this is required for wall for installation. Now we will see into this metal plate. This rubber you need to install here for this hole. From there wire we will remove like this. The wire should not touch the metal part, that's why we are using that rubber material. So friends, here you can see like this we need to install LED. From that user manual they didn't mention all this, how to install from this side or that side, so we need to take care. So from this video you can see how to install this. So using other screws and all you need to fit this plate to that black stylish material like this. Friends, here you can see almost our 90% of job is done already. So now we have to install this, to add all the crystals using these pins. We need to install that bracket. So I will show you after installing the bracket. Yes friends, now you can see after installation of 3-layer bracket. So this is now completed. So now only one thing is left, means that crystal we have to install for this 3-layer. So what I am suggest is that first you need to install this to wall. After installation to the wall by using this bracket, after connecting that bracket to wall, then you need to connect this whole model by screwing upside and downside like this. After completion of all that things, then you need to connect all the crystals using these pins. So now I'm going to show you how to connect these crystals using this pin. Just you need to bend like this, then insert. Here holes are given, insert for every hole and bend it. So this is the process. Like this you need to connect all the crystals. So finally now you can see the final result, how it looks. This is in off condition, and here you can see there are 3 LED colors are there: gold, white, then light gold, all the things. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.